Okay guys, this is really cool. I just went up to the visitor center, went and paid for another night, and came back to the tent and saw this little guy crawling around. And it was much longer. I guess it can change its length. I wasn't sure at first what it was. Talked to some park employee and they said it's a banana slug. Very cool. Now, as you can see, it's very lush, real moist. I mean, this is just awesome, but now I'm worried whenever I walk around that I might step on a banana slug. I don't want to do that. But I haven't seen any other. This is our campsite right here. And this is just really cool place. You know, if you're from the desert, something like this is just awesome. It's quite a change. So I'm gonna pick it up. The people I talked to, they said don't, maybe get a stick or something, because I guess they can be a little slimy. And I'm gonna move it, try to find it a safe place away from the camp, away from the dogs. And now I gotta keep an eye out for other slugs, I guess, although I don't see any others.